Yeah, Mitali, please go ahead.
Actually, I got a project from my company. I have to prepare the HR SLA. So, sir,
Those
can
could
I
be
get
this.
any idea from somewhere else, like where I can get some, like when I'm going to mention any service expectation column, so I can get something more idea. So, can
You
you
mean,
suggest?
see, what is an SLA? An SLA is a service being provided, right?
Right, right.
So let us start off with, we can even start with recruitment, right? So even though so for example, after an interview, how soon will you give his status? Like within 7 days of interview, we will give a status to him, whether he is joining or selected or whatever, or something like that. The days could be different.
So,
When will
sir,
you give?
on this, I segregated into three different sections. One is like pre-employment, then employment, then post-employment. Like during the
Yes,
interview, exit
right,
interview, what
absolutely.
we are doing. So I segregated in three department section. Okay.
So what an employee, a person who's joining a company expects is to get good, accurate results and a formal agreement within a certain number of days of interviewing. It could be 7 days or 15 days or whatever. He should get some kind of status.
Okay.
Second is what we call end-to-end HR. Now, end-to-end HR means what? What all do the end-to-end HR people expect? Now, obviously, first, what you've already put is induction. Okay. Then grievance handling. Right.
Right.
It could be exit. But here also one properly important thing is IPRs, which is performance reviews,
Right.
annual hikes. Any expectation they can have from the company that they will get the annual hikes on a particular time, that the appraisal will be done within a certain time every year, that will be completed. This is the end-to-end HR space, correct?
Yeah.
Then you have, obviously employees have a lot of expectations from the comp and ben team, right? So there are 3-4 areas here. One is salaries being paid accurately, which you've already put. But it also could be in terms of reimbursements,
Correct,
etc., which they have to get. And in obviously exit will include FNF, etc. And now salaries, reimbursements, obviously one important part which also comes in is incentives. Many companies don't pay incentives on time. That's very upsetting for employees. So this is CNB, right? Then you have the L&D department. So what do employees expect in L&D? It could be that they expect a training plan to be made for them every year. What training can they get? Or to have a career promotional training. That means after some years, after every 2-3 years, are they, if they're suitable and they meet certain guidelines, they will get this. So many days of training. So now you've covered all the 4 major verticals of HR.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Thank you.
All right.